Memories die out too hard. When we were traveling the mountains, used to find the loudest tears. We set our mind on fire, knowing we couldn't higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to